Hello family, welcome to my channel. Miss Dosha here. Today we are going to cook African village food for dinner. Kindly, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, like, comment and share it to your friends. Let's get into it. Straight away I will then go ahead to slice the nyama. Remember, in our village is the period of Ramadan. Let me know in your village if really you do celebrate that. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. This is Giriamaland, Coastal Kenya, Africa. While it's boiling, on the other hand, I will go ahead to prepare the virazi. Today's ingredients, we've included the carrots. At this time, you'll then be required to cook the onions for some time just before you add the carrot and tomatoes respectively. These are virazi. Quickly, I will add the boiled nyama. I will then add turmeric, salt, water, cover it and give it some time for it to cook. The dinner is ready. Today's accompaniment for the mixture of nyama and virazi is white rice. Let me know in your village how you do cook it. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. This is Giriamaland, Coastal Kenya, Africa. Remember, in our village, especially in our home, we are celebrating Ramadan. Let me know in your village if this is the same. Let's enjoy it. Kindly, if you've not subscribed to my channel and yet to turn your notification bell on for it to be notified when a new video is up, please do so, like, comment, and share it to your friends. Remember, at Miss Dosha's family, we always remind you to be your own kind of successful beauty. Peace.